Never start your engine like this. It is killing your car. Here is something that might shock you. Your engine experiences more damage in the first 30 seconds after starting than during an entire hour of highway driving. Strange, right? But it is absolutely true. Most people think engines wear out from hard driving or long road trips. The reality is different. Engines die from tiny habits that happen every single morning. The moment you turn the key or push the button, you are either protecting your engine or slowly destroying it. The difference between an engine that lasts 100,000 miles and one that reaches 500,000 miles comes down to what happens in those critical first moments. Today, we are breaking down the 11 most common startup mistakes that quietly kill engines, and more importantly, how to avoid them. Let us get started. Mistake number 8. Holding the key in the start position too long. We've all done this. You turn the key and hold it just a bit longer because you are not quite sure the engine caught. It seems harmless, but it is not. When you keep the key turned, the starter motor keeps grinding against the flywheel even though the engine is already running. This damages the starter teeth and creates violent vibrations throughout the engine. Those vibrations stress the motor mounts and bearings. A single starter replacement can cost you hundreds of dollars. The correct technique is simple. Turn the key just until the engine fires, then release it immediately. If you have a push-button start, just press it once and let the system do its job. Don't hold it down. This small change protects your starter and keeps your engine starting smoothly for years. Mistake number 7. Revving the engine right after starting. Many drivers love hearing their engine roar, so the first thing they do is press hard on the accelerator. This is one of the absolute worst things you can do. Here is why. When you first start your car, the oil is cold. It has not circulated through the engine yet. That means all those moving parts, pistons, valves, and bearings are rubbing against each other with almost no lubrication. When you rev the engine in this state, you create extreme friction. Over time, this habit scars cylinder walls and dramatically shortens engine life. The solution is easy. Let your car idle smoothly for at least 30 seconds before touching the gas pedal. In cold weather, give it even longer. Mistake number 6. Starting with old or thin engine oil. This is one of the most overlooked startup killers. When oil gets old, dirty, or loses its thickness, it cannot protect metal surfaces anymore. During startup, your pistons, valves, and bearings scrape against each other with virtually no protection. Old oil also contains dirt and sludge that act like sandpaper inside your engine. If you keep starting with degraded oil, you will hear noisy startups and you will watch your engine age years faster than it should. The fix is straightforward. Stick to regular oil changes and always use the correct viscosity recommended by your manufacturer. This is the cheapest insurance you can buy for engine longevity. Mistake number 5. Starting the car with accessories on. Here is a silent killer most people ignore. Leaving your headlights, air conditioning, or sound system on while starting puts unnecessary strain on your electrical system. When you turn the key, the starter motor already draws a massive surge of electricity from the battery. If your lights, radio, and air conditioning blower are running at the same time, you are overloading the battery and alternator. This habit weakens your battery faster, and it stresses electrical components. While it might not destroy your engine directly, if your battery fails or your alternator wears out, your engine becomes vulnerable to rough starts and misfires, and that accelerates wear. Always turn off accessories before starting. Mistake number 4. Repeatedly cranking when it won't start. You turn the key, nothing happens. Your instinct is to keep trying, cranking again and again, hoping it will eventually fire. This can cause serious damage. Every crank dumps more unburned fuel into the cylinders. That washes away the protective oil film and floods the spark plugs. It also overheats the starter motor and drains the battery rapidly. A wise mechanic once told me, if it does not start in 3 tries, you are not fixing it, you are breaking it. If your car will not start after 3 attempts, stop, give it a rest or call for help. Otherwise, you will turn a simple problem into an expensive disaster. Mistake number 3. Those dashboard lights that flicker on when you start your car. Most drivers completely ignore them. Big mistake. Those lights are not decoration. They are your car's built-in health check system. When you turn the key, every warning light should briefly illuminate. This confirms the system is working. If you ignore these lights and drive away without paying attention, you might miss urgent signals. Low oil pressure, failing alternator, overheating. Driving with no oil pressure can completely seize your engine in just a few miles. The repair bill? Thousands of dollars. People who skip this step are gambling with their car's life. Mistake number 2, starting the car while in gear. For drivers with manual transmissions, this is one of the most dangerous mistakes. Starting the car while it is still in gear can make the vehicle lurch forward or backward unexpectedly. Beyond the safety risk, it puts tremendous strain on the starter motor and clutch. That sudden jolt forces the engine to fight against the wheels. Over time, this weakens the clutch plate, damages the transmission, and can even break engine mounts. The solution is simple. Always press the clutch pedal fully before starting. This one habit prevents years of potential damage. Mistake number 1, pressing the gas pedal while starting. Older drivers sometimes pump the gas pedal while starting because decades ago with carburetor engines it seemed to help. With modern fuel injection, this is completely unnecessary and actually harmful. When you press the gas pedal during startup, you dump excess fuel into the combustion chamber. This creates a mixture that is too rich, and it washes away the thin protective oil layer from the cylinder walls. Not only does this cause harder starts, it also accelerates wear inside your engine. In severe cases, it can flood the engine completely, leaving you stranded. The right way to start any modern car is simple. Keep your foot off the gas. Turn the key and let the engine computer manage everything. It knows exactly how much fuel is needed. The truth is simple. Most engines do not fail from one catastrophic mistake. They die from small daily habits that quietly chip away at their lifespan. What you do in those first few seconds after starting determines whether your engine thrives or barely survives. By breaking these bad habits and treating startup with care, you can easily add years to your engine's life and save thousands in repairs. Take care of those critical first moments, and your engine will take care of you for the long haul.